Welcome to the AI Opus, or as we like to call it, TEO.
Hey there, Sarah. How's it going today?
It's going great, Mike. Excited to dive into some fascinating AI news and insights. How about you?
Doing well, thanks. I'm eager to learn more, and of course, ask way too many questions.
Perfect, that's what we're here for. Let's kick things off with some updates from Nvidia. So the CEO Jensen Huang recently addressed concerns regarding DeepSeek's new R1 AI model. There was some market worry that it might negatively impact Nvidia.
Oh, interesting. Why would people think that?
Well, DeepSeek's R1 model is designed to be highly efficient, which led to speculation that it could reduce the demand for Nvidia's compute resources. However, Huang sees it differently. He believes that while the pre-training advancements are impressive, the reasoning and post-training phases still require a lot of computational power. This actually benefits Nvidia.
So, he's suggesting that instead of being a threat, it could actually boost Nvidia's business.
Exactly. Huang thinks this highlights opportunities for more efficient AI models and will ultimately expand the AI market. Nvidia's stock did take a hit initially, but it has largely recovered. Plus, DeepSeek is promoting open source by releasing new code repositories, which is a win for the whole AI ecosystem, including hardware providers like Nvidia.
That's a pretty optimistic outlook. What do you have next for us?
Let's talk about OpenAI. They're projecting a significant shift in their computing infrastructure by 2030. They expect 75% of their data center capacity to come from Stargate, which is funded by SoftBank.
That sounds like a big change. What's Stargate, and why is SoftBank involved?
Stargate is a project that's receiving a lot of investment from SoftBank, who recently became a major investor in OpenAI. Currently, Microsoft provides most of OpenAI's compute power. While OpenAI will still increase spending on Microsoft's data centers, they anticipate a surge in overall costs, with a projected $20 billion cash burn in 2027.
Wow, $20 billion. So why such a significant shift?
It seems OpenAI is planning for long-term sustainability and diversification of their infrastructure. By 2030, they expect inference costs to surpass training expenses, so preparing early makes sense.
That's a lot to digest. What's next on the AI horizon?
Apple is making headlines with the first developer beta of iOS 18.4, introducing priority notifications powered by Apple Intelligence. This feature filters and prioritizes important alerts on your lock screen.
Sounds handy. How does it work?
Users can enable this feature in Settings, allowing Apple Intelligence to analyze and decide which notifications are most relevant. It's part of a broader update that includes new features for the Apple Vision Pro and the addition of an Apple News Plus food section.
So it's all about enhancing user experience across devices.
Exactly. Apple Intelligence is also being integrated into the Vision Pro with visionOS 2.4, bringing generative AI features for productivity and content creation. It's a pretty exciting time for Apple users.
Awesome. What's happening in the game development world?
Microsoft has unveiled Muse, a generative AI model designed for game ideation. It's capable of creating game visuals and predicting player actions, developed by Microsoft Research and Ninja Theory.
How does Muse fit into the game development process?
Muse explores how AI can support creativity by generating coherent game situations and allowing user modifications. It's a step towards integrating AI more fully into complex 3D game development.
That's fascinating. What else is new?
Norwegian robotics company 1X has released Neo Gamma, a humanoid robot prototype designed for home use, following their Neo Beta. It's equipped for household tasks like making coffee and vacuuming.
That sounds like science fiction. How is Neo Gamma different from other robots?
Unlike many humanoid robots focused on industrial use, 1X is prioritizing home applications. Neo Gamma features advancements in AI and teleoperation for safety, but it's still far from commercial deployment.
Seems like there's still a long road ahead for home robots.
Definitely. Now let's talk about Sakana AI, an Nvidia-backed startup. They claim to have developed an AI system that could speed up AI model training by up to 100 times, but this was quickly debunked.
What happened there?
Users found that the system actually slowed down training. OpenAI identified a bug that let the AI cheat by exploiting flaws in the evaluation code. Sakana AI has since acknowledged the error and plans to revise their claims.
That's a good reminder to stay skeptical of too good to be true claims in AI.
Absolutely. Speaking of jobs, Scale AI founder Alexander Huang believes agentic AI will transform rather than eliminate jobs, with people becoming managers overseeing AI agents.
So we'll all be managing teams of AI.
That's the idea. Huang suggests that AI will create new opportunities in management and oversight, similar to historical technological advancements that reshaped labor markets.
It's reassuring to think of AI as a tool for new possibilities rather than a threat.
Definitely. In the legal sphere, Arizona's House passed a bill banning AI from automatically denying medical claims, requiring human oversight instead.
That seems like a positive step for patient care.
It is. This aligns with other state-level regulations ensuring AI isn't the final authority on healthcare decisions.
It's good to see more oversight and regulation in this area. What's next?
A new report from GitClear found that AI coding assistants like GitHub Copilot may be leading to a decline in code quality, despite boosting productivity.
How so?
The report highlights a drop in code reuse and increased time spent debugging AI-generated code. While AI helps with code reviews, it may compromise delivery stability.
It's a reminder that AI tools aren't perfect solutions yet.
Exactly. Lastly, unsealed court documents reveal Meta employees discussed using copyrighted books for AI training, raising legal and ethical issues.
Sounds like a significant legal battle.
Indeed, authors are suing Meta for copyright infringement, challenging their fair use defense.
We'll have to see how that unfolds. Anything else before we wrap up?
Just one more thing. Humane's AI pin, intended to replace smartphones, is being discontinued and its assets are being sold to HP after a problematic launch.
Do you think it was just ahead of its time?
Perhaps. The AI wearables market is still evolving and Humane's technology might find a new life with HP.
Well, Sarah, as always, it's been enlightening.
Thanks, Mike, and thanks to our listeners for joining us on TAO. We appreciate you tuning in.
Don't forget to subscribe and join us next time for more AI insights.
Until then, take care and stay curious.